Class 7th, Subject Mathematics. Chapter 4, Simple Equations. What we are going to learn from this chapter? What is an equation? Solving an equation, more equation, from solution to equation and application of equation to practical solution. Now we are going to start with exercise 4.1. But before that, let us understand what is an equation. A sentence that states that two mathematical expressions are equal. For example, 3x minus 5 is equals to 2. Always remember, equation is equalized. V is equals to pi r square h. 2x minus 13 is equals to 4x plus 17. Now let's see the first question. We have to say whether the value of x satisfies the equation or no. Here are 11 parts given. We are discussing 4 parts. X plus 3 is equals to 0. We have to replace x as 3. 3 plus 3 is 0. Never. So it does not satisfy. Similarly, when x is equals to 0, placing the value of x in the given equation, 0 plus 3 is equals to 3. So no again. Third, minus 3 plus 3. Yes, it is 0. That's why it satisfies the equation. So answer is yes. 7 minus 7 is 0, but it's not equal to 1. So no, it does not satisfy the equation. Now steps to solve the linear equations, children. What is linear equation? If an equation of one variable has the highest power degree of variable as 1, it is called linear equation in one variable. So first step to do is simplify each side of the equation if needed by distributing or combining like terms. Move variables to one side of the equation by using the opposite operation of addition or subtraction. Isolate means making it apart from other number, the variable, by applying the opposite operation to each side. A part. First, use the opposite operation of addition or subtraction. B. Second, use the opposite operation of multiplication or division. It depends what is given in the equation. If addition is given, we have to subtract when change the side. Okay. So then last is check your answer. Now second question of the exercise. Here are F parts given where values of n is different in each part. We are going to replace the value of n and solve the equation and check whether value satisfies or does not satisfies. So A part, n plus 5 is equals to 19. Put n is equals to 1 in left hand side. 1 plus 5 is 6, never equal to 19. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Thus, n is equal to 1 is not the solution of the given equation. Why? Because both sides are not equal. So, n is equal to 1 is not the solution of the given equation. Now, let us see B part. 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. Put n is equals to minus 2. Wherever n is there, we are going to place minus 2. So, 7 into minus 2, minus 14, plus 5 is equal to minus 9, which is not equal to 19. Since LHS is not equal to RHS, thus n is equal to minus 2 is not the solution of the given equation. Similarly, in C part, we are going to place the value of n as 2, and here we can see that both sides are coming equal, 19 and 19. So n minus is equals to 2 is the solution. Coming up to question 3. Solve the following equation by trial and error. Trial and error itself says that we have to try until and unless we get the solution of the given equation. Here are 2 parts given. First part I am going to discuss here. 5p plus 2 is equals to 17. Let us try p is equals to 1. In LHS we will place p as 1. 5 into 1 plus 2 is equals to 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. So it is not equal to 17. Now as it does not satisfies for 1, so let us place the value of 2. So 5 into 2, 10, plus 2 means 12. 12 is again not equal to 17. Now let us try for 3. P is equals to 3. 5 into 3, 15, plus 2, 17, and on right hand side 17. So P is equal to 3 is the required solution and satisfies the given equation. Similarly, second part will be done. Question 4. Write equations for the following statements. Very simple. We have discussed in algebra also how to form the equation. Same way we are going to do. Okay children, some parts I am going to discuss here and some parts you have to try yourself. Here are 11 parts given. Some of the parts let us discuss. In the tabular form we are going to write the equation. Alright. Number 1 part. The sum of number x and 4 is 9. So x plus 4 is equal to 9 will be the equation. 2 subtracted from y is 8. Y minus 2 is equals to 8. Third part. 10 times a is 70. 10 times means 10 into a. 10a is equals to 7. The number b divided by 5 gives 6. b upon 5 is equals to 6. 3/4 of t is 15. 3 upon 4t is equal to 15. Similarly, 6th part will be done and remaining parts can be done by yourself. Question 5. Write the following equation in statement forms. Now we are doing the reverse. Earlier we formed the equations. Here we are going to form the statement from the equation. So here are 8 parts given. Some of the parts we are going to discuss here. Rest you will try. P plus 4 is equal to 15. Statement will be sum of a number P and 4 gives 15. M minus 7 is equal to 3. 7 subtracted from M gives 3. 2M is equals to 7. Twice of M gives 7. Similarly, we are going to form the statement for other parts. Now question number 6, last question of the exercise. Set up an equation in the following cases. Here situations are given and we have to form the equation. Right? Irfan says that he has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marbles of Parmeet has. Irfan has 37 marbles. Now in bracket hint is given. Take M to be the number of Parmeet's marbles. Similarly, 4 parts are given. Let us see the solution of the 3 parts. First 3 parts. Let M be the Parmeet's marbles. Therefore, Irfan's marble is equals to 5M plus 7. Why? Because it was 5 times more than 7, right? Total number of Irfan's marble is given by 37. So required equation is 5M plus 7 is equal to 37. In the second part, Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Take Lakshmi's age to be y years. So let Lakshmi's age be y years. Lakshmi's father age is equals to 3y plus 4. But Lakshmi's father age is given by 49. So required equation is 3y plus 4 is equal to 49. Third part. The teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. Now let's take the score to be L. The highest score is equals to 2L plus 1. But the highest score given is 87. So the required equation will be 2L plus 1 is equal to 87. One part is remaining that you will try yourself, children. This way your exercise 4.1 is over. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay safe. God bless you all, children.